Okay? Let's move on. Now, the suspect, you say the suspect demanded some items. You remember that part of your evidence?
Asindluleke nanje ngoba ke ungakusimaka noma ungakwaziki ukuthi usichaze isibhamu. Ushilo ke ukuthi ke umuntu lona ke wase efuna ke lokho okushilo ukuthi wakufuna.
Yebo.
Yes.
Paragraph 7, please. My Lord, can I refer the witness to paragraph 7 of Exhibit P1?
Yes.
Line number 7, my Lord.
Can you use this?
Line number 7 of paragraph 7 of Exhibit P1. It's fine, whichever is fine for you. But there it's clearly depicted.
Okay. When I go to silence this?
Can I stand up?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
My Lord, if I can just refer the court to that line. The 7th line, my Lord. This is the statement that was made by this witness. And the 7th line read as follows, my Lord. With the level of the court, can I just read it as is? Because It's part of the evidence, my Lord. What I'm going to read into the record.
Yes.
It says, one had a firearm in his hand and said, "Futek, cell phones and money." Do you see that?
Yes, I see it.
And when you were testifying now, in your evidence in chief, you never mentioned that.
Ngenkathi unikeza ngofakazi bakho ke obuyinhloko ke noma uqala unikeza ngofakazi bakho awuzange ukusho lokho.
In other words, my Lord, in other words, Mr. Trial, you never said the one who had a firearm in his hand said Futek, cell phones and money. You only said he demanded cell phones and money. If I'm correct in what you have said, you can correct me. You never said.
As a court, please, my Lord, it's not correct. The state did lead the witness regarding Exhibit P1, and he did explain as to why that expletive should not have been included in his statement.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord. Can I move on, my Lord?
Yes.
Those 3 words, Mr. Twala, Futek, cell phone and money. Is that Zulu?
Zulu is No, it's not just Zulu.
Is that Sotho?
It's Sotho. No, it's not Sotho.
Thank you. You have been grilled in this court to specifically explain in what language did the intruder demanded the cell phone. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes.
And I take it's on record that you couldn't tell this court in what language, because you ended up saying in Zulu, which was in Sotho.
Ngizothatha ukuthi ke kwazanga noma ufananga ukuthi utshele lenkantolo ukuthi kwakuwuluphi ulimi ngoba uthe ke isiZulu isiSotho.
Cha, inkantolo ngitshenile indlela mina engisho ngayo.
No,
ayihambiselani nokwena okubonayo akusho ukuthi angisho.
No, I told the court that you don't agree with that. It doesn't mean that I didn't say it.
What did you say? Can you remind me?
Inokushilo, ngangikhumbuz.
Ngiqale ngokusho ukuthi sorry. ngiqale ngokusho ukuthi umani no cellphone igama lesingisi lelo.
I started by saying money and cell phones, those are English words.
Kodwa bengashiwo umlungu ngoba lo muntu wayephambi kwami ngayena umlungu.
But it wasn't said, or those words were not uttered by a white person, because the person that was in front of me was not a white person.
Umuntu wami phambi kwamnyama umuntu omnyama.
The person that was standing in front of me was a black person.
Ngaze ngasho ukuthi money and cell phone ukusho ngelanguage engiyazi mina ukuthi isiZulu suthu kodwa to what isiZulu. Why ngisho?
I even said that he said money and cell phones. He said it in isiZulu, Sesotho, but more towards isiZulu.
Yes,
It's
just
Zulu
stop there,
Sotho.
just stop there, just stop there.
Okay.
That's what I wanted. He
Yes,
said
right.
it in Zulu, which is Sotho.
Cha, ngisho ukuthi which is Sotho.
I didn't say which is.
He said in Zulu?
Okay, isiZulu.
Ngiqedela.
Yes.
Can I finish?
Ngicela uqedela ke mase uyangibuza.
Yes.
Ngithe mina ukhulume ngesizulu Sotho kodwa to what isiZulu. Why?
I said Zulu Sotho
Okay.
towards isiZulu.
Okay.
Why ngisho
Just
njalo?
end there. Just stop there.
Okay.
There is no language referred to Zulu Sotho. It's either Zulu or Sotho.
Alukho ke ulimi ekuthiwa isiZulu Sotho. Akube isiZulu noma isiSotho.
Ungasungilinde ngikuchazele ukuthi why ngisho njalo. Angithi uyangibuza imibuzo uthe ngikuphendule ianswer. Ngilinde ngikuqedelele.
If you were to wait for me
isiZulu.
to answer,
isiZulu somuntu okhuluma umuntu wasemlazi nesizulu somuntu okhuluma umuntu wasekatlehong for example or Soweto nesizulu esikhulunywa umuntu mhlawumbe wasenkandla or kuphi asifani leso sizulu.
bambe lapho ke. isiZulu that is spoken by someone from Umlazi, and isiZulu that is spoken by someone from Katlehong, and isiZulu spoken by someone from Nkandla. That's not the same.
Forget about that, and it's irrelevant in this case. What is more relevant here is that there is no person who can demand cell phone in Zulu Sotho language.
Ukhohlwe ke lokho ngoba ke akukho nje okuhlanganisa ke nalokho esibhekene nako lana ke. Akekho nje umuntu ongafuna i-cellphone nemali ngezulu Sotho.
And the reason, can I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
Thank you. And the reason why you are saying so is because that incident took place when you had taken alcohol.
Imbangela yokuthi ukusho ke lokho yingoba isehlakalo lesiyana senzeka ke uphuze utshwala.
You want to respond?
Cha, ngizophendula.
No, I want this one.
Very good. My lord, I think it's the good time to take for the short adjournment now, my lord. For 15 minutes, my lord. My lord, it's 11:10 now. Can we resume at 25?
25
25, yes, ma'am.
on the clock.